Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are touring the Cosmopolitan Wraparound Terrace Suite. Okay, so you walk in, there's a closet, pretty big closet. And there's a little foyer when you come in, and they have hand sanitizer and a cute little note and a mask in there. Super cute. And you walk in, and then over here, this is a bathroom, a full bathroom with a cool painting on the wall and a huge shower, with, toilet, stuff like that, and their amenities, their soaps and stuff, and a cool painting. Everything about Cosmopolitan is like cool. And then there's another painting on the wall. And then we are walking into the little bar area. Yeah, they have a sink in there, cabinets. Watch, they have a mirror. When I swing to the other side, you're gonna see like a refrigerator, like for drinks and stuff like that. Right there, you see, silver. And they have a bar top. There's the thing with the refrigerator with drinks. Tons of cabinets, tons of storage. So you could definitely be here for a while and store your snacks and stuff like that. And then we are going over to the little dining area. Super cute, super spacious, cool paintings, cool chandelier. There's another view of that. And then the couch is so comfortable. It's a hangout couch. Like you could literally hang out, sleep. And they have this cool like fashion book on the table. A really nice table. Really nice, cool painting again. And then they have a giant TV, and you could watch YouTube, like we were watching YouTube. And then they have a remote thing where you could see like restaurants. I think it could control like certain things. And then we're walking into the bedroom, and TV in there. And then there's the balcony. You could go out to the balcony. I'll show you guys the balcony later. I kind of did a different kind of room tour on this one. And then there's no doors to this bathroom, which is kind of weird, but it's okay. And a huge bathtub. It's like open, so and a huge shower and two vanity sinks. You can see, and they have like the vanity soap in there, two sinks, and then a toilet room. I'm glad the toilet is closed off, so at least you have that. And then your safe is in the bathroom closet, and cool painting in there. And they have robes. You can see the robes and a lot of hangers in there. And ironing board and iron and stuff. And then we are about to leave this room and the chair. We're about to leave the bedroom and go out to the balcony. Okay, so here's the balcony view. Fountain view, Bellagio. Oh my gosh, I'll show you guys the fountain. This is a wraparound suite, so the whole terrace, you have this whole terrace to yourself, like literally. Watch, I'm gonna turn the corner and there's gonna be more. And you can see the Marquis Day Club. It's just huge. You can see the Marquis Day Club down there. It was closed that day. Beautiful views. You can see MGM in the distance. Huge. And then that last door goes to the bedroom. So there's actually 3 doors to go from the inside to the outside, which is very nice. They have a chair at the end, super comfy. And then I was showing you they have like little spas over there, like private spas. But this is like huge balcony, so pretty. And I'm about to switch to the night to show you guys little end part of the fountain. Okay, so here it is at night. It's gorgeous. I caught the tail end of the fountain show. I should have went out there earlier, but it's okay. But you see Caesars, you see everything. You can see the whole strip from here. Paris is pretty, lighting up. It's just gorgeous. This is the best room I've ever been in, like for sure so far. Best room, even beat the Venetian.